coarseness. Yay! Hey Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Evany, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe, and if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm not going to be doing a hair video or a super long video. I'm just going to be posting this and thank you guys for 50 freaking K, okay? 50,000. We just crossed 50,000 here in the Wonderfro Gang, Wonderfro fam, and I just wanted to thank you guys so much for all of the support you have given me over the years. We on our way up, okay? All the way up. And I obviously, you guys know, for my milestones I typically like to celebrate with giveaways. So for this giveaway, I had announced it a couple of times before, I think on Instagram, maybe on one of my lives, but y'all, I'm giving away waveformers, okay? These are the 50 centimeter waveformers for 50K, but I actually didn't mean to do that exactly. So what had happened was, when I first did the waveformers, the size that was already too short for my hair that I had were the 50 centimeter ones. So I just went online. You guys know I had 3 packs. Okay, 3 of the 50 centimeter waveformers, and then my behind went on to Amazon, eBay, one of them, and got some more 50 centimeter waveformers because I thought that was the longest size. I'm thinking, oh, I have 30 or 40 centimeters. I should have measured. That's it. I just should have measured the end, and I didn't. So I got 2 more packs of the same size waveformer that were too short for my hair to begin with. So now I have 5 packs of 50 centimeter waveformers that are too short for my hair and that I'm not gonna use. 3 packs are used, 2 packs are not, but I'm going to be giving away all 5 to one lucky winner, okay? Now, I would have just broken it up and been like, oh, one person gets 2 packs, the other person gets 3 packs, but in the video I made, I said 4 packs if your hair is as thick as mine or thicker, or as long as mine or longer, you should get 4 packs, right? I will be announcing it here on YouTube and also over on Instagram, so you guys can enter a maximum of 2 times. Again, here once in the comment section, and over there on Instagram once in that comment section of a post that I'm gonna put up. So that'll be cool. I will leave all the rules down below in the description box, so be sure to read because I will be checking. Sis, bro, I want to know that you are actually part of the Wonderfro Gang and I'm not giving these waveformers to some random person that just showed up for the giveaway. No. I have a lot of faithful followers, a lot of faithful subscribers, and I want to make sure that I'm actually rewarding one of them for all of their support. You guys have just been one of the best group of Wonderfros that anybody could ask for, and I'm so glad that we have our little community, our little corner of the YouTube universe, but we're getting bigger, y'all, okay? We're growing. We're going all the way up 2019. So again, these are the packs. These are multicolored. It's the blue and the yellow ones. I have 2 packs of those, and then I have 3 packs of all blue ones, of the ones that I originally used in my first waveformer video. I will link that above in the eye if you are interested. But yeah, all the rules will be down below in the description box. So go there, check it out, comment on this video. Y'all know what to do, y'all know where to go. Thumbs up the video also. That's gonna probably be one of the rules. But yeah, y'all, I'm giving away some waveformers, and it's just me thanking all of you. And oh, also, this giveaway is open internationally. I know some of you guys get mad because I can't do international giveaways all the time, but y'all, that shipping and handling is no joke. So because these are so light and airy, it's definitely something I can ship internationally and afford to ship to you internationally. So it is open all over the world. Okay, y'all? I know Wonderfros are everywhere, so this giveaway is open all over the world. So be sure to take advantage because I know not all of my giveaways are international friendly. But you know, one day I'm just praying I got all the funds that I won't even need to really worry about international shipping costs. Okay? Okay. Coming soon. Don't have to worry about funds. Coming soon. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you and that I love and appreciate you all so much. So much from the bottom of my heart. Like, we would not be here if it weren't for you guys. Like, a channel is nothing without the viewers, right? I can channel into the oblivion and it might not hit nobody at all. So thank you so much for being there, rating, commenting, subscribing. Y'all are the best. And yeah, I think that is it. I think that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, don't forget to thumbs up because it's probably part of the giveaway. Comment down below and be a subscriber like always because that's also part of the giveaway. But also so you don't miss any more videos from me. And if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.